good member. Myself, I'm Carmina Antanos. Range incident, avoidance survey, course, firearms structure, range safety management of the certification course, class BKIS. All signs, 7 squad. Okay, the content of our survey, we have identified here 6 weaknesses. No? So first weaknesses is a focus on the entrance, the main entrance, the venue from where the firing range is located is very narrow, meaning mas ma-exit, no? Magitin. So, di basta-basta makapasok pag nagkasabay-sabay yung mga tatlo at tao. So, suggestion, we need to widen the main entrance for at least for the vehicle to pass. Kahit na makapasok yung sasakyan. No? Then, weakness number 2, the pathways from the main entrance up to the gate of the firing range is also narrow. So, yung iba is yung observance is yung home. Pero ito yung narrowness talaga niya. Kasi hindi pwede magkasabay yung 3 o 4. So, 2 tao siksikan siya. So, hindi siya advisable. So, hindi siya safe sa mga papasok or gagamit ng firing range. So, suggestion, again, need to widen the pathway for at least 4 persons can pass at the same time. Hindi sila magsabay-sabay kahit 4. Okay, so yung weakness number 3 is the loading and unloading area is too far from the firing range. So, the importance of this is after you unload the firearm, so at least you are nearer to the firing range so that in case there is an incident, you can easily retaliate. Kaya ka mag-load ulit ng baril mo. Okay, so the loading and unloading area must be moved nearer to the firing range. So, i-move siya doon mas malapit. So, at least kahit mga 3 meters doon. Then, weakness number 4, there are no concrete perimeter barriers that may secure the whole area of the firing range. So, yung buong area, kung saan naman yung firing range, wala siyang concrete perimeter barrier